didn't seem we had that much fun. I was always looking out for something new. Mama would look at me and say, times were hard back in my day, but you, baby, you haven't got a clue. When I was a kid, we didn't have fancy things, just one horse to ride to school, and share amongst 9 kids. We'd gather around the radio, and we'd sing all the songs we'd know. We had love, we found joy in all